Fingy, you took shower? How was it? Huh? How was it? Did you like taking shower? Fingy, Fingily. And Joseph decided to don't take shower, huh? Yeah. How come you didn't want to take shower? Good boy. Oh, you cute boy. Hi. Hi. Try and be good boy, Tiago. Joseph. Try and be good boy, Tiago. You cutie little baby shark. Yeah. Yeah, I'm good boy. You be good boy too. Yeah? Yeah, Tiago. Up there. Up, jump. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, jump. Jump. 1, 2, 3. Go. 1, 2, 3. Yay. Yeah. Ooh. I love bird. Huh? I love you. Say I love you, Tiago. So he don't run to you anymore. Yeah. Tiago, you're going out. Yeah? Telling him that? Yeah. Yeah. I love good boy. Yeah? Joseph, do you love good boy? Hello. 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 Yeah, I wish you had the cheek so I can pull out your cheek. Yeah, give me your cheek. Cheeky, 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 cheeky. Cheeky, 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 cheeky. Little crazy one. You little crazy one. And you're so big gentle one.